Two teams, two perfect starts, one unbeaten record that is going to end tonight. Rajasthan Royals have been untouchable. Royal Challengers Bengaluru have been relentless. And now the perfect storm moves to Guwahati. Hello and welcome to NewsX. I'm Kashish Dhawan. Rajasthan Royals are entering in this clash as the table toppers. 3 matches, 3 convincing wins. They have had total dominance so far. But standing across them are the defending champions, Royal Challengers Bengaluru. 2 matches, 2 wins and a momentum firmly on their side. Now this is also a rivalry with a recent history. In IPL 2025, RCB had the edge. They did beat Rajasthan in both the encounters, once by 11 runs and once by 9 wickets. And if we look at the overall head-to-head record, it remains close. 34 matches have been played so far. Rajasthan has only won 14, while RCB, they have won 17 of them and 3 matches produced no result at all. And the last time these two met, it was RCB again, a 15-run win after posting 205 runs. Now coming back to this season, both teams are in red-hot form. Rajasthan Royals have been completely clinical. Vaibhav Sooryavanshi and Yashasvi Jaiswal have rewritten the power play starts. They are yet to be dismissed in power play in this season. And RR have won all 3 matches very comfortably, including a 27-run win over Mumbai in Guwahati itself. While RCB are coming off strong performances. Devdutt Padikkal has been seen in a sensational touch with back-to-back 50s. Virat Kohli, Rajat Patidar and Tim David have all contributed heavily with their bat. And with the ball, it has been Jacob Duffy as a standout, supported by Bhuvneshwar Kumar, who has had 4 wickets in just 2 matches. Now, one more key stat that defines RCB's confidence. They have won 9 of their last 10 away matches since IPL 2025. Coming back to the team news, Rajasthan Royals are expected to go in this match unchanged with no injury concerns. As for RCB, Josh Hazlewood is still unlikely to start as he works back to full fitness. Now the only question is whether they stick with Abhinandan Singh or bring in options like Rashik Dar or Mangesh Yadav. Now let's look at the probable 11 for tonight, starting with Rajasthan Royals. It can be Vaibhav Sooryavanshi, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Dhruv Jurel, Riyan Parag, Shimron Hetmeyer, Donovan Ferreira, Ravindra Jadeja, Jofra Archer, Nandre Burger, Ravi Bishnoi and Sandeep Sharma. Now RCB, they can have Phil Salt, Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, Rajat Patidar, Jitesh Sharma, Tim David, Romero Shepherd, Krunal Pandya, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Abhinandan Singh and Jacob Duffy. And there are some fascinating mini battles inside this game as well. Something to watch tonight. Sandeep Sharma versus Virat Kohli. Kohli has fallen to him 7 times in this fixture. And then there is the explosive death over threat of Tim David against RR's finishers. Finally, this match could be decided in the power play itself. Jaiswal and Sooryavanshi are yet to be dismissed early this season and that could be the game changer once again. So the stage is set in Guwahati, 2 unbeaten teams, 1 perfect record is going to fall and IPL 2026 could get its first defining moment right here at the Barasapara Stadium tonight. For all the latest updates related to IPL 2026, keep watching NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.